All right, 2024-25 Mazda CX90 key fob battery replacement. This is how you open up the remote. So we're gonna take the panel off of the side that has the Mazda emblem. Okay, you can see one side has it, one side doesn't. You're gonna need a flathead screwdriver, and all you gotta do is just pry this back panel off. I recommend doing it right here where the chrome is. You can get underneath it real good without damaging the remote. Okay, it just pops off like that. I'll just go down here and just gently pull this guy off. Okay, take it off like that. Here's the battery door. Screwdriver right in here and just pop this door off. This is actually the size right here of the battery, CR2032. Here's our battery. Little slot here just to blink, pull this guy right out. When you get your new battery, you're going to use the positive sign like right here. It's going to be facing us. Put it down on the remote first like that. Drop it in there like that. You get the cover. It's just press fit in here. Snap it in here. Now if you need a battery, there will be a link down in the description box that takes you to Amazon where you can get a battery. Now when it comes to the door, there is this little foot that sticks out here. Just make sure you put it in this little corner. There's a little hole. Snap this guy together and you're done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you hit the like button for me or leave me a comment.